welcome to your October session where we'll be talking through ratios that we should be monitoring from a recruiter level to team lead, management level, all encompassing.
Yeah, so this session, guys, isn't about activity and what activity you should be doing. It's more around understanding what ratios we should be looking at so that we can identify parts of the process that we need to get better at, in turn affecting our end result, which is our billings. So what you'll end up with at the end of this session is a very clear understanding of which ratios actually matter. How do you identify which ones you need to get better at? And then 3, how do you monitor all of those and where do you get that information from? Now, we've been doing this for 10 plus years each, and this is something that's been fundamental in our ability to self-develop and also develop our teams. And it can be the slightest little tweak in parts of your ratios that you tweak that will have a huge impact.
Yeah, and what we often see is consultants or management saying things like, the results haven't been the desirable outcome, so do more of the same thing that isn't working to get there. And that's where we're already working in a time-poor environment. It doesn't work. So being able to reflect and understand and break down the process to get a higher ratio rather than just flogging the same activity, that's where we can start to create more efficiencies and better results for everyone.
And one very short example, which we'll go through in a lot more detail, team, is one ratio that everyone in our experience and opinion should be tracking is their CV send to interview ratio. If you've identified that your CV sends, so you typically might be sending 10 CVs to one interview, I would say there's fundamentally something a little bit wrong in that ratio alone. And by working on ratios, what you can do is start to see an increase in your ability across different parts of the process. So you may have started with 10 CVs sent to one interview, and over a period of a few months, you improve that ratio to 3 CVs sent to one interview. You've saved yourself a hell of a lot of the time, and you're going to have a hell of a lot more time to make more money.
Yeah, exactly.
So, can't wait for this session. We will see you very soon.
Bye.